Hello, Tyler, and I already did the updates according to your suggestions. Uh, and okay, so first we can check the results, and this is our connect page, and refresh it. After that, send the device click. You will loading our friends, and also all of these functions are already the existing functions we have implemented. And this is the friend list. And when, for example, we check this user and send the invite email. And after send, we will check the recipient and see the results. Okay. Okay. To change it to Firefox, and it will show a notification to say that this user won't jump post on your wall. And we check the post feed. This is a post feed, and this is my test entire inviter, and this will go to our in your inviter site, and this is the description, and there is also a picture. You can customize it later. And the most important point is this one, and add a link play social charge, and this is will link to our server. You can set that it will go to the, you can set the left, right, left corner, bottom corner, and then the link is I created a new PHP page called discovery.php, and with the with the parameter user ID, so we can track the user information if user click this link to go to our site. Okay, so just let me check it. And for example, go to this site, go to this discovery.php page. At this page, it will first request the permission. For example, this is three basic permissions. If user allow, and in the URL we set the redirect URL. The direct URL is connect.php. So if we can, if this user allow this, it will authorize our app and redirect to the connect.php com. Okay, so it will redirect to this one. Also, of course, we can change this to other pages according to your site implementation, and because in the we can check the source code in the discovery page. We can check the user ID and also get the charge ID and save it in somewhere such as the database, and then we will redirect the user to the request permissions page with the redirect callback URL. I just send it as a connect. Of course, I think we can maybe have a page to record the user redirection. So after that, we receive the request from the user, because this user is already logged in the web user agent such as Firefox, Chrome, and we can check the user ID and compare with the before user ID is saved in the discovery page, and so that we can know that this which user already accepted our invitation. Okay, so that is also support a multiple user. And the main change for the code change is just in the connect.php file, and add the post to the Facebook friends wall, just this one, and also add the new file called discovery, and just this is just used for test. You can, I think you should have your own one to record the user ID and the charge change ID to for the tracking later. And also a main change, I think, because I have some issues when use the native the Facebook library code, so I changed it to, for example, you mentioned before that when I post to wall, it just post from myself. Okay, so for example, when I change my Facebook, uh, I change my Facebook, there are some things that this is myself, right? And but for before, this is this one. So I think maybe there are maybe some issues with the Facebook library. So I use the before one. Okay, I hope that it will work. So right now this is correct from the sender, not for myself. Okay, so I suggest you to use before a stable php.com page, PHP not PHP Facebook library, not use the native one. Okay, thank you.